Yeah. Okay, are we all ready?
Ready.
Very good. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am good.
Very good. That's good. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Good. That's good. Very good. Okay, so let's get started. Oh. So science, where are we? Okay, first thing we're doing in science, we're going over our habitats. Yes, we remember our habitats. What habitat is this? Who can tell me? This is called the paddy field. Paddy field. Very good.
Paddy field.
Good job, paddy field. What animals live in the paddy field? What animals?
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Very good.
Buffalo.
Very good. Very good. Next one. Next one. Crane.
Buffalo.
Crane. Now, students, this one. This one. Is it a snake or a fish? A fish.
Fish.
I think it's a fish. Now that I'm looking. I think, yes, I think it's a fish. Yeah, I think we have a fish. Okay, so we have buffalo, crane, and fish. Yes, very good. Good morning. Okay, next one. What habitat is this? Tree. Very good. What animals are in the tree?
Monkey.
And
Squirrel.
very good. Very good. Next one. What habitat is this?
Parakeet.
This is our garden. Garden. Very good. What animals do we have in our garden?
Now.
Yes, snail. Next one.
Snail.
Spider.
Bee.
Next one.
Grasshopper.
Very good. Grasshopper.
กระดาษแบบนี้เอาไปใช้แท่ง
Next one.
จะได้ไม่มันจะได้ไม่
Very good. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
And our last
โดน
Butterfly.
very good. Butterfly.
ไม่
Okay,
มาลา
let's go to our next one. What habitat is this? This one is near a pond.
Near
a pond. Very good. What animals live near the pond?
Frog.
Yeah.
Frog and duck. And dragonfly.
And the flying one? What's this one? Yes, dragonfly. Very good. Next one. This is our pond. Pond habitat. Pond. What animals live in the pond?
Sun snail.
Very good. Pond snail. What do we have over here at the bottom?
Fish.
Very good. Next. Very good. And these little black things? What are these ones?
Purple.
Very good. Tadpole. And our last one. What animal is this?
Terrapin.
Very good. Terrapin. Terrapin. Very good.
อ่านไม่ออก
Okay, let's go. Move on. Okay, let's get our science books ready. Oh, yeah, that's right. Science books. We want our textbook.
15.
We are going to page 49. 49. Very good. Page 49.
49.
เนี่ยเดี๋ยวที่นอนแม่เนี่ยตรงนี้อยู่ใกล้ๆเพราะแม่ไม่เคยจะมาห้องเย็น
Okay. Page 49. We are learning about seasons. These are some of our seasons. Very good. So some environments change with the season. So let's learn our season. Our first one. Hold on, something's very loud. What season do we have here? We have spring. Spring. Very good. One more time. Spring. Very good. What happens in spring? In spring, flowers and trees grow. Very good. So in spring, the flowers and the trees grow. Very good. Let's go to our next one. Next season. What is it? Very good. We have summer. Summer. Very good. What happens in summer? Animals and trees get lots of energy. Very good. In summer, it's very hot. So the sun is out. The sun is very hot, which gives the animals and trees energy. Okay, so this one is summer. Let's go to our next one. Autumn. 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 In autumn, leaves fall. Sorry, this is meant to be off. There we go. Yes. Leaves fall off the tree. So all the leaves, they fall off the trees. And this happens in autumn. Okay, our last one. What season is this?
Winter.
Very good. Winter. Winter. Okay, in winter, animals move to a warmer place. Very good. So in winter, it's cold. Yes, cold. The animals don't like cold, so they move to where it's warm. So this one is winter. Okay, so have a look. At the moment in these pictures, it's winter. It's getting cold. So our birds fly to a warmer place and our animals walk. It's called migrate. When animals move to a new place, it's called migrate. Okay, so animals will move for two reasons. Only two reasons. Well, three reasons. One, it's cold. Animals don't like cold. Two, there's no food. Or three, something's happened to the environment. So for example, if there's a big fire and all the grass is on fire, the animals will move. If it's cold, the animals will move. If there's no food, the animals will move. Okay. This is on page 50 if you want to have a look. When it gets warm again, the animals come back. So in the cold, they move, and in the summer, they come back. You understand? It's not easy to explain. So cold, animals move. Warm, they come back.
นอนไม่ได้
Okay, that's good for now. All right, we are going to go over our seasons one more time, and then we're going to get to our workbook. So first thing, what season is this?
แล้วผ้ามาห่อ
Spring.
Spring.
Spring, very good, spring. Next one, summer.
Summer.
Summer, very good. Next one, autumn. Autumn, very good. Last one, winter, very good. Okay, now students, we only have 4 seasons, so that's our 4 seasons. We're going to get our workbook next. Please get your workbook.
Page 30.
Have a look.
Page 30.
แต่ว่าจะต้องมีใจความสำคัญที่เหมือนกับเฉลยเอาชมพู่เต้นแล้วชมพู่เก็บ
Okay, we are going to page, yes, page 30. Page 30 of our workbook.
30.
Let's have a look. Okay. So we need to write down the correct answer. So we're going to read and answer the questions. Okay. So let's get started. Number one. Please read along with me. So it says, which of these does an animal not need for it to survive? Okay, so remember, survive means to live. So this one, to live. So what do animals not need to live? So what do they not need? Sorry, we are on page 30. Can you see page 30 of our workbook? Workbook, page 30.
หน้า 30. Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So A, air. Does an animal need air to live? Yes.
No.
So animals need air. Without air, an animal will die. So we need air. B, shelter.
No.
Animals need shelter. If shelter is like your house. So animals need a house to live. They need their house. C, food. Do animals need food? Yes, animals need food. D, soil. Do animals need soil?
No.
No. So our answer is D. Very good. So animals need air. Air is what we breathe in. You know, when you go, you breathe in air. Shelter is our house. You need a house. And then obviously food, you need food. But we don't need soil. Don't need soil.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2. We're ready. Number 2. Which animal can be found under stones or dead leaves? Very good. So what animal can we find? So here's my stone. What animal can we find under the stone? Fish.
Fish. No.
Do fish live under stones? No.
No.
What about ladybugs? B is ladybugs. Do ladybugs live under stones?
No.
C is a millipede. Does a millipede live under stones? Millipede's like a worm. Do they live under stones? Yes.
Yeah.
What about D, squirrel? Does a squirrel live under a stone?
No.
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 So answer is C, millipede. Millipede. Very good. A millipede lives under stones and dead leaves.
Accidentally.
Okay. Very good. Okay, let's move on. Next one. Number 3. Which living thing
Which living thing
does not belong
does not belong
to this habitat?
to the habitat?
So in our picture, we have the beach. The beach. Okay. So A is a frog. A is frog.
No.
B is
No.
coconut tree.
Yes.
C is crab.
Yes. Yes.
D is seagull. Seagull.
Yes.
So
Yes.
which animal does not live? Does not live at the beach?
Frog.
Frog, very good. A frog, very good. We do not find frogs at the beach.
Okay, finish.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 4. Which of these
These
plants
plants
grows in water?
grow in water.
We have coconut tree,
Coconut trees?
not coconut tree.
No.
Banana tree,
No. No.
rice plant,
Right part.
Maybe.
No.
hibiscus.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Now, I'm going to show you a picture quickly. Let's see. Remember our paddy field? Remember the paddy field? Those are rice plants. And they are growing in water. So our answer is C, rice plant. So rice plants grow in water. Our hibiscus lives in the garden, so not water.
Golden.
Okay, let's move on. Next one will be on page 31. Let's all look at page 31. Are we ready on page 31? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, page 31. Which
Which
of the following
of the following
shows a
a
group of living things
thing
that belongs
that belong
to the
to the
same habitat?
same habitat.
Okay, so these are animals and plants that live together. So which animals and plants live together? So first one, we have a zebra. A is zebra.
Zebra.
Swan. You know what a swan is? Swan is
Yeah.
big bird. And then we have frangipani tree.
Funky tree.
Now, if you remember, the frangipani tree is in the garden. Do you have a zebra in the garden?
No.
Do you have a swan in the garden? No. So not A. A is incorrect. B, we have a dolphin. You know what a
No.
dolphin is, yes? Seaweed. And then clownfish. You know what a clownfish is? Remember Finding Nemo? You know Finding Nemo, the orange fish? The orange fish is the clownfish. So do you think dolphins seaweed and clownfish live together? What do we think? Yes. So a dolphin lives in the sea, seaweed lives in the sea, and a clownfish lives in the sea. So our answer is B. B.
Good morning.
Okay. Let's look at C. Ferns, frogs, and whales. Do they live together?
Okay.
No. Centipede, spider, and seaweed also does not live together. So let's look at 6. We're going to look at exercise 6. Which animal, read along with me, which animal lives in a different habitat from the rest? So we have A is a giraffe. Where does a giraffe live? A giraffe would live in a place like the savannah with the lions. So giraffe lives with the lions. B, we have a monkey. Where does our monkey live? Our monkey lives in the tree. Next, we have our toucan. Where does the toucan live? Tree. So D is a snake. Where does the snake live? Tree. So which animal does not live in the tree? Giraffe. So our answer is A, giraffe. Our answer is A, giraffe.
เดี๋ยวล่างนี่ไงเด็กเดียว
Okay. We're all done? Very good. Okay, let's go to next one. Let's go to our next one. Number 7. Number 7. Which living thing will not be affected if water in a pond is made dirty by rubbish. Very good. So we have our pond and someone's thrown in lots of litter, so paper and plastic and stuff from the bins, and it's all dirty. Which animal or which plant will not be affected? So which animal won't mind? So A, we have our terrapin or turtle, terrapin or turtle. Where does the turtle live? In the pond or near the pond?
Near the pond.
Oh, try again. Remember, where's our picture of our pond? Remember, here's our pond. Pond. There's our terrapin. So the terrapin lives in the pond.
In the pond.
Yes. B, we have seaweed. Where does seaweed live? In the pond.
In the pond. In the pond.
C, fish. Where do fish live?
In the pond.
Very good. D, spider. Where does our spider live? Who remembers? Garden. Very good. So which animal will not be affected by the dirty pond? So which animal does not live in the pond? Very good. Spider. So our answer is B, spider. So if we have a dirty pond, it will affect the terrapin, seaweed, and fish. To make the terrapin, seaweed, and fish very sad. Okay, is everybody finished? I think so. Very good. I'm not hearing I'm not finished. That's good. Okay, so students, that was our science lesson. We are finished. Okay, so thank you everybody. That went by very quickly, faster than expected. So I'm gonna say goodbye, and next I see you for reading and listening at 9:30. So see you at 9:30 for reading and listening. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.